Hello friends, today I will discuss the MS Excel formatting. What is format of a worksheet cell? It means the trick that we can use to modify the data's appearance in a worksheet. We can format the data in various ways like change the font color, font size, color, style, alignment and number formatting of cell or cells in worksheet which are present in Home tab. In this video, I will see three types of formatting of Excel sheet which are present in Home tab. They are font, alignment, number. For font, in the font group, we can change the font size, font color, font style, etc. For changing the font type, select the text, click on the combo box, select the required type of font, we can change the font style. Similarly for font 2, click on the combo box, select the type of the text and font changes. Similarly for font 3, select from the combo box and select any type of font, its font changes. Similarly, by clicking on these icons, font size can be increased or decreased. First of all, select this cell and clicking on this, the font size is increases. Similarly, clicking on this icon, font size can be decreases. You see, in this way it works. Font size increases and font size decreases. Font size increases, font size decreases. We can also change the font size by selecting the number from this drop down menu. Here, by selecting the number, the font size changes. Similarly, it increases and it decreases accordingly by selecting the number from this combo box. In this way it works. Next is font color and fill color. Select the text from the required cell and click on the font color. Click on the font color. From this color icon, we can change the font color. Similarly, selecting the fill color or base color, we can change the base color also. In this way it works. You simply change the color of the font and base color can be changed from this box. In this way it works. In this way it works. Next, by pressing Ctrl+1 button, shortcut key format cell window will pop up. From this window we can change easily from the font size, color, etc. as per the requirement. So Ctrl and 1 shortcut key, Ctrl and 1, the format cell window will pop up. From this we can change the font. From this tab we can change the type of the font, similarly effects, size and color also. Next, there are three more icons present in this group, that is B, I and U. By clicking these icons we can change or remove the font style like bold, B for bold, I for italic and U for underline. See how it works. By selecting this text, select the B, the font is bold. By again selecting the B icon, it is removed. Similarly, for italic, it works in this way. For underline, it works in this way. Underline and remove the underline. Similarly, bold and remove bold. Italic, remove italic. Next group is alignment. In the format cell alignment group, we can align the text and number which are present in a cell, or either top, middle, bottom, left, center, right, etc. By clicking these icons, we can change the alignment of the text as per requirement. You see, first select the text and clicking on these icons, the text alignment changes. In this way it works. Now wrap text. Here it is an icon for wrap text. Microsoft Excel can wrap text so it appears on multiple lines in a cell. Click on the wrap text icon, text wraps automatically. For merge cell, suppose we merge cell, combine and center the contents selected cells in a new larger cell. Here I will select all these cells and click on the merge and center cell, all the cells are merged. Now by clicking these alignment buttons, we can see how it works. In this way text is aligned. See, it is a select center. By increasing the font size, we can see how it works. In this way it works. By clicking at the arrow corner of the font group, similarly number groups, we can change the numbers as per requirement. Alignment, here alignment tab is opened, appeared here, and from this we can change the left alignment, center, right, fill, justify, etc. and wrap text, then shrink to fit, merge cell, and orientation can also be done from this tab. Similarly, by clicking on the font tab, font group at the corner side, the font tab also appears. From here we can change the font size, style, color, etc. from this window. In this way it changes. Size changes, style changes, strike out, superscripts, subscripts, etc. In this way it works. Next is number. In the number group, there are 5 icons present. First one is accounting number, second one is percentage style, third one is comma style, fourth one is increased decimal, fifth one is decreased decimal. Also a drop down combo box is available in this number group. By clicking from this drop down menu, we can change the number format as per the requirement. Now first see, here it is the accounting number. By clicking on the accounting number, click on icon and this accounting number changes. Similarly, selecting the English US portion, the dollar sign is appeared in front of the 1000. Next is percentage style. By clicking on this percentage icon, it changes to the percentage style. Similarly, for comma style, click on comma, it changes into comma style. Increase decimal, by clicking this icon, the decimal number increases. Again, by clicking this icon, the decrease decimal number, that means decimal number decreases. In this way it works. That's all for the today's class. Hope you enjoy this video. If it is useful for you, then like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.